Hello everyone. Today I have for you a minimalist inspired hanging terrarium, and these are some of the items that you will need. I got most of these products at the Dollar Tree. So you'll need a terrarium planter, succulent plants, E6000, tumbling blocks, sandpaper, ruler, moss, a dowel, a drill bit, and a stain color of your choice. And lastly, you will need the Dollar Tree bottle lights. Okay, you're just going to drill a hole in 4 of your blocks like so. We're going to mark them first and drill them. Just make sure that you're careful not to split your top of your block. And then you're going to cut with your little saw 4 blocks at an angle like so. So this is how it will lay flat on your stand. And this is what it will look like after it's both cut and drilled. So these are the sections that you will need to glue with your E6000. Again, these 4 will be cut and drilled when you glue them. So you need 4 rows of 4, and then 2 rows of 3, and 1 row of 4 again, and the last 3 rows are for your stand part. And then this is the size of the dowel that you will need. I cut it a little bit short than how it comes in the package. So after your sections are dry, you're going to be gluing the sides of this first and then putting the blocks in the middle. So you just have to make sure that the holes line up, and you can see what I did here. I just put them in opposite directions from each other, and then you can see where I placed them on the 3 blocks on either end there. So you just want to make sure that your pieces are drying properly, and I held something up against it so that it would adhere correctly. And before you start to stain it, you just want to make sure that your dowel fits properly through and it's nice and straight in there. So as your stain is drying, you can put together your terrarium, and you just take some Dollar Tree moss and succulent plants, and I'm taking them out of their little holders there and putting them in the terrarium. The Dollar Tree has so many cute succulent plants, and I think they have a ton of different kinds for this spring season. And then you're just going to tuck your little bottle light underneath the moss. So here is the finished product, and I absolutely love this. I think it turned out great. I love the stain color. I love the little lights inside. I just think it's really, really cute and minimal, and I absolutely love it. I think I'm going to make 2 or 3 more of them and use different color succulents, and I just think it's the cutest thing. And since I had the stain and the dowels on hand, I only spent $6 on this project. So thank you guys so much for watching this minimalist inspired hanging terrarium DIY. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you guys so much.